Today we have list of names with first name, middle name and last name in one column, and we need to split the names in 3 different columns with first name separate, middle name separate and last name separate. So let's start. So manually we can start typing each and every character in the separate column. So first name we have entered in C, middle name in D, last name in E. By this way we can go one by one and keep on splitting. But if the number of names are very high, suppose in thousands and 10,000s, it will be very difficult to do manually one by one. So what we can do? First we will type the first name in first column and we will press Ctrl E. Ctrl E is basically used for flash fill. Similarly for middle name we have typed the first name and we'll press Ctrl E. Similarly last name we'll type Morgan and Ctrl E. Yes. So what flash fill does? Flash fill tries to replicate your action from the first cell and copies it in each and every cell. So now in the same manner, if we want to have the concatenation of first name, middle name and last name, we will type first name space L dot space Morgan and we will press Ctrl E and it will copy my action of concatenation and replicate in all the fields. Thank you everyone.